Want to unleash the monster within your BMW M2? Let's dive into the TR87 Kit. The TR87 Kit, brought to you by Autoid in Chelmsford, is designed to supercharge your BMW M2 with a whopping 124 extra horsepower. That's right, your M2 now hits 578 bhp and 490 pounds-feet of torque, rocketing from 0 to 62 miles per hour in just 3.2 seconds. But it's not just about speed. The TR87 Kit features a striking carbon fiber aerodynamic package, complete with a redesigned front bumper, side skirts, and rear splitter, all inspired by the F87 M2 CS. And don't forget the 2-slat split kidney grille and the Miltech exhaust system that enhances both performance and sound. Want even more control? The optional handling package includes adjustable suspension, upgraded springs and bushes, adjustable camber plates, and high-performance Yokohama AD08 tires. All of this comes at a price of just under £13,000 for the TR87 Kit, with the handling upgrades adding another £4,450. So, are you ready to unleash the beast within your BMW M2? The TR87 Kit is calling your name.